Hey, do you guys have multiplayer? Oh man, it's a good time. No, I'm not playing that. Why you guys still stuck here? Convergent na sila ah. Yan, pakai dulu. Ne क्या नहीं है ना एक बेल ले जाओ तमें बुको ही जाओ मैं वो ना आओ बुको ही
Oh, there it is.
Captain, what happened?
Why the fuck you guys still stay? Hey, what you like?
Prison.
What we playing?
Prison.
You said prison. What the fuck?
Free
You
bird
good,
island,
bro?
yo.
We're not even landed yet.
Oh shit. What you like, prison? Oh, this guy's ready, bro.
Yeah, traumatized, boy. Just leaving is traumatizing, man.
Nah, he ready, bro.
Oh, that shit took forever, though. What the fuck happened, Captain?
You never hear, bro. They need a new host.
Already.
They definitely need new host.
I should have asked for him, bro, and kick everyone out. I should have asked for it and cancel that custom game.
Fucking customize. Fucking guy. Fuck
I'm gonna
that
ask
shit,
him next time. Hey, pass it to me and cancel that customized game.
Hey, Captain. You
good? Tell it. To let him know that I'm gonna go next door and ask the neighbor. You know.
You don't talk back to your master, son.
For real, bro. Got me fucking making a loadout and shit.
Oh, I didn't even know you have to do that.
Yeah, bro.
I just stay waiting, bro. Yeah, I remember the last time we have to remake the loadout.
Stupid ass game.
We never did play it, though. Same fucking result, yeah. Got me fucked up. Oh, yeah, my controller full now.
Oh, glitching, dog. What the fuck? Oh, no, not glitching. My fucking battery died. Shit. Holy shit. Oh, there's my battery.
Controller died.
Hold on. Low.
Bro, the plane is faster than you, bro. Hurry up. You said hold on like the pilot can slow down, bro.
Wait, pilot.
You guys heard it.
There's...
Stay alive.
Oh shit. There is on base. Oh wow, I got like 3 of them. Oh fuck.
Wait,
Oh, what I mean, chat bang.
fuck!
Detalhe, irmão.
Oh, what's up? We're in.
It's right up top, bro.
Tranquilo, viejo.
What is that?
Yeah, moño. Okay, pinche moño.
You can see that right on top.
Yeah. Bro, why you gonna line on
He's on
top
top.
man?
Your squad mate is redeploying. Well
There's
done.
one coming in. No, he's jumping on top. He's in the room.
Hey, kamikaze, dog.
Come
Get
back.
that for me.
Squad mate back on station.
I got one.
I'll play on top.
Right there, not on. Stay over there at the door. Oh,
Bro,
you
get out of
with
this
a
game if
pistol.
you can't, bro.
That's how it's good.
Stay alive.
God damn.
Go crazy.
Don't go prison.
No go prison. That wasn't prison.
Stronghold.
Nah, that's a bad idea, bro.
Come on.
That's closing in. Back on station. Go get off. Squad mate back on station. Good work.
Load up.
They're coming.
Yo.
I got you, man.
Oh, gold team and a car.
They come in hot. They come in hot.
Oh, action control. Oh, over control.
Yeah.
Oh, right, why didn't I? That's tough.
Get him.
Right. Right up. Oh, go out. Yeah, right here. No go out, no go out.
Try authorizing UAV mission.
They all on top.
Yeah. They're coming. I hear him. Get it there.
Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Right
They're
here.
right above us.
Yeah, bro. Watch out. Go. Some squad, bro.
Right on top.
Wait over here.
Watch behind you, bro.
Wait there first. Take care. Watch out. Right?
Got these bitches, motherfucker. Oh.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Nice. Just follow away.
Ah, just because he died. Watch behind you guys.
Enemy UAV
Yeah.
overhead.
Watch this,
No,
watch this, watch
What's your man?
this.
What's your man?
Stay in here, buddy.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that.
Yo, my nigga J Cross, you gotta play it up.
Get your squad to the front.
Yeah, play it up, J Cross.
Huh? Oh.
Play it up.
They stay on top of us, bro.
Yeah.
You ain't slick, bitch.
Nice. Yeah, watch out. Wait, J Cross. Wait. No, go out.
Only 25 left. Keep up the good work.
Alright, right here, bro. Yeah, J Cross. Whoa. Oh, J Cross, where? Oh, J Cross.
You gonna push this out?
Go. Hey, my nigga J Cross, huh? Nice.
Coming down.
Yeah, stay downstairs.
Watch out, there's someone coming down from the top.
We're returning you to the front. Earn this.
Top, please.
You gonna push this side?
Go. Hey,
He's broken.
the squad. Oh, go up.
Five val is active. 5 stations right.
Hey, right here.
Where now? Yeah. Oh no, where?
Ah,
right
fucking
here.
camping.
Where the fuck? That's
Oh,
Yo, they're
Get the
fighting
rest
right
of
now.
it.
Joey,
yeah,
Joey,
that
Joey,
shit
bro.
ain't
Shut up, you
down.
guys trash.
One, but we'll get them back.
Yo, Joey.
No.
Oh, that guy's
fighting.
laying down, though.
Garbage. Haha.
Yeah, I didn't even see
Garbage.
that bitch.
You know you make a lot of error. Alright, what the fuck? I come across you. Doesn't even want to play. Oh no, this nigga's gonna keep fucking my lot. Fuck that. Like, Joey, bro. Fuck you and your stupid shit, you motherfucker. Never invite me, bro. No more invite, motherfucker. men guardian we. Guardian we go me laundry then. And we go me laundry then. Winkian ma yang Allah kau toli. Masuk yang kebieng lah juga. Masih deh naik dah lek we udah ma. Minne me täysin suengal na tanna poatine kum te kan peka ut kum te kan som reklota ut ke mai min go mo postle internet postle mo chigen joen gluk ke go me som rek diga sikke vel mo so
That's tata sana mutni show minute.
dun ka ma dal dal
Kala na invite na.
dal dun bien no so am da be ke fara bien hi bella seconds na long dari yung matasalo ni like dari mong talak mo yung
Para kiri per kakinga na ito. Ang exciting jilak nga ngalatalan na. And life.
Ja, jag postar med G-life-lag här. Nu kan vi inte posta om det.
Custom. Tala na team.
Kangen, metode lala, kamasyak yak. Ano pa yung Hilala.
We're headed to the war zone. Get geared up and stand by.
Hindi maaari kong baga pero ay laliki.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Benji.
Kaput na. Kaya Natali kung yak pa nga peka uta.
Playing. Benji ma mesla. Benji.
Free parachute free for magic for.
Some trigger.
Rekla magic atasang free banji mai ci na parachute.
Ngayos lang. Ay, grab mo rap. Kung saan nga siya na ngayos lang.
Agap nga sa nga pa nga magna akin nami siya ke.
Ayan nga ako nis lang. Kung mga magunsang at work magina.
Pasap nga sa nga. Ay wa magic nga na hindi ka ko merak ka sa tati na. Isive na ko timi siya.
Ay nga at work magina. Ngayos lang. Nga siya na rock ko sa rap tadi na nitin.
Magic mga collecting jiwa ka. Ako like Kosraean vertical niki 190, 180.
Ay, kachibili la ba eh. Kills room nga na yung pas lagi ya. Depends on the setting, man.
My settings was already good.
Don't put 15 minutes there. Oh no. That shit gonna get cooked.
It was already good.
Put like 9.
We're gonna see how it would. All of us gonna be. I'm 2.65 on the horizontal, both of them.
Ruck up. You're headed to the war zone.
Bumigas.
2.65.
All stations, this is Shadow 01.
Ka-control. Steering key control nga. 3 point.
2 point.
Resurgence.
What?
Try hard, yeah.
Eliminate targets.
Tak, dia sulit. Can control.
Okay, control.
Jangan dot. Weh.
Hostile UAV in the area. You have reinforcements inbound. Target down. Marking the rest. Enemies are dropping into the area. Get ready. You're redeploying.
Rejim taga.
Redeploying. Well done.
Kaya chum ni weh.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online.
Get off my fucking game. Get my money, bitch. Get my money. Get my
I
loadout.
didn't do nothing. I didn't steal nothing.
Oh, no mames, te la voy a meter, hijo de tu puta madre, no mames. No mames.
Muy fluo.
No mames. These niggas at, man. Yeah,
I think
fuck
you need to
them.
go to the psycho ward.
I need a fuck.
Alay lang nga.
They're coming now.
I got no ammo.
Hurry up and pop the loadout, you stupid motherfucker, whoever took
Where
it.
is it?
Hey, back on. Hey,
Who the fuck took it?
Gas is chula. Ese culito.
Gas is moving.
They got their loadout.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free.
Perfect. Nah, shut up, little girl.
Shut your bitch ass up, you about to get fucked in the pussy, boy.
Nah, watch.
Hey, now watch what? Now watch what? He's on me.
I'm scared, that's why you're running.
He's on me. Come to me. Right here.
I'm out here. Go.
Stay right here on me.
Dotty.
Fuck him. He coming up. He's on.
Run.
Yes. Ian shotgun. Get back, it's shotgun jing.
Loadout young, but they're down there. Watch out, one is ziplining up.
No, don't do that real quick. Don't do that.
Enemy UAV
Go.
Oh.
Hey there, bucko. Hey there, bucko.
Careful. Careful.
got 10 squads.
However, they're being rats.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Frick, being rats on shotgun. Right here. Siapa yang lawan jangan?
You suck, bro, with that fucking shotgun.
Stand by for redeployment.
Oh, where is that? Where did that one go?
Hey, pick me up. What the fuck?
They're losing ground.
Pick me up, man.
Back on station. Good work.
Not good.
It's okay, I have a stim. I have two. Where? Oh, it didn't work. My stim didn't work. My bad, teammate. Right, they're camping up there, sniping.
Reinforcements inbound. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad as attack map. Get hunting.
We're jumping down.
Yup. Nice, Babat. That was the last one.
Buy sale active.
We could buy loadout.
Prices have been reduced.
But we already have loadout. Fire sale.
Alright, let's go buy one.
UAV airstrike.
I'ma buy the UAV. You guys buy the loadout.
Kangasi, buy the loadout.
Or never mind. We all have loadout, don't we?
No, I need.
Kim, what UAV?
I did.
Pop. Airstrike bear. Chào mo.
Lüş mani loka. What the heck? Nah! Campers.
Airstrike, airstrike.
You've got gas moving in.
Así que mole. Why? Oh, someone already got it.
Target grid struck. Fire sales over.
Bad choice letting me live.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
Wait, I'm stuck. I cannot get out or else I'll die.
Somebody's with you guys.
Enemy movement. Cancel my last.
That'll be it.
They're on the gas.
Enemy movement. Scratch that.
Wait, my Kosraean airstrike.
Now, when got airstrike.
Requesting recon flyover.
They're still outside. Fine.
Close air. Target marked.
Let me buy UAV real quick. Oh, I need 6,000. Baba, drop your money. I need some more.
Hey, let's move. We gotta move.
There's people pushing from behind.
Well, move forward. We gotta move.
What is Baba doing outside?
TACOM requesting recon overhead.
Did they buy back? There's someone up here. They're up here. Watch out, they're gonna push. They're gonna push. They're outside a zone.
Dropping ammo.
Kaya may
Friendly
nakin.
ammo box here. Friendly ammo box here.
Come to my side. That's the base area. We just slowly move.
Yeah, come down. Come down. Oh shoot. There's one camping, sniping right now. He's using the car 98. What a camper.
Somebody fine.
Head to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Our teammate, the green one, can buy me back. He has a lot. Yo, green, buy me back. Go push with him. Zimbong. They're on chemical engine. Oh no, bioweapons. There's someone on the roof at bioweapons. Yo, green, buy me back. No way. People are on top, Zimbong. They're trying to take the high ground from you guys. Someone was getting up the ladder. Oh, just one more player. It's one player versus you guys.
That's better.
He's on top.
All the stars
What happened to your friend?
were good.
Yeah, he got the first saving, bro. Oh, food. He got the first. You see that kilo without stock, without it is so fast.
What?
Kilo without stock and optic.
Yeah, that one is good.
Really good.
How do I?
Men, om inte start again. Men en bag out yet in the life.
Sure.
Min kana katapela ilak. Katapela ilak. Hindi to spawn just ko na squat. Ngasya na spawn. Makiti din time si kantara get chat pe na. Na chat pen bang arena. No bro, I need
Ei
like
katlong na percent.
Change date and time. Yo, ngayon post win sila SPA. Tanggal lang auto gila. Hi, kami. What happened? Our food. Our food. Our food. Hi, kami. Our food. Our food. Our food. Kau laya tinchi. Okay. Tidak mah di sana.
Okay.
Nama post window.
Batman!
Hmm.
We're waiting for you.
Men, apa cun cari nga?
Come here.
Machine.
Check weapons and gear.
It was just like
Kabut me ramul.
stuff.
All stations, green light. We're deploying to the war zone.
Why? Who are you trying to give it to?
Resurgence.
Stronghold.
Survive to redeploy from our teammate. Kill
Y'all are pussies. Stack some more, you pussies.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Clear another target during contract timeline. Hostile UAV in the area.
Where's outside? Top.
What?
Sniper.
You make me die.
Motherfucker stand like a statue of liberty.
Bro, dumb little campers. What are you guys doing? Get alive.
Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
Two motherfuckers. That's a Euro kill.
Back on station. Go get off.
choice letting me live.
He was, bro. What?
You.
Hostile UAV
No.
in the area.
No. Where he at? Well, you better act right, boy. You better act right, boy. I killed one now.
You made the top 25. Well done.
Chắc cái bè nó xoài chứ nghe.
I saw somebody fucking jump down.
Cái chiếc ma chị nhìn bán là ma kinh nhẹ cả.
Your squad mates redeployed. Well done.
Where y'all at?
Your squad made it to the safe zone.
Touch it, where y'all at?
All the way bottom.
You've got gas moving in.
Y'all at grandma. See, I left me over here by my fucking self. Look on the map. Oh, don't do that. I ain't that nigga, but he scared the fuck out of me. He scared the fuck out of me since I turned around. Ain't that nigga behind
That's
me.
another one here.
Somebody else inside of that bitch.
Cái trời việc
He
là
scared me, he gonna turn
bởi.
around again.
Cái
There's
chua
another
như
one.
kia chỉ cái mà. Như bà chào ngàn.
One of 25 remaining.
Chưa anh bước trên trên một và cũng.
Tiver researching.
remaining. Seconds remain. Seconds remaining. We lost that round. Prepare for the next one. Hardcore. Search and destroy. Detonate the target objectives, but expose an enemy squad. Only you remain. Finish the mission. The round is lost. Focus on the next one.
Feel me?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. I don't agree with that one.
What do you mean you don't agree with that
Yo,
one,
that's...
bro? You guys wanna fuck up some
I'm
fucking
built
mid
like
stuff?
Kevin Durant. Okay? So what the fuck am I gonna do with a tiny twin?
Man, use your... Bro, pop out my boy. Use your imagination, nigga.
The fuck am I gonna do with a tiny twin, man?
Nigga, use your imagination.
Nah.
Man, you motherfuckers looping and scooping, bro. Can't do nothing.
Yeah, this ain't my map, man.
Yeah, it's not mine either.
I don't even like Tokyo. I would never go to Tokyo.
You should name yourself
For a trip for nothing.
Bro, you would not?
Hell nah.
Why not?
Cause I'm American.
Tokyo might be fine, bro.
Bro, Tokyo's the way to go, man. Japan, you feel me?
Japan?
Yo, they got a nice car scene there, bro.
Man, I'm trying to go to Japan for some Asian bitches.
Bro, is you good?
I'm about to passport.
In the goddamn lobby.
Shut up,
Dude,
faggot.
it's your
Chin my
mom.
sack. Chin my
Holy
fucking
shit.
sack.
My mom's been dead for 13 fucking years. Where the fuck have you been, fat bitch? Holy shit. Holy
She's been
shit,
chinning
Mom,
sacks.
Mom. No,
Sucking on your
fuck you,
daddy's
Mom,
nut.
Mom, Mom, we gotta
muted.
talk about some shit, bitch.
Bommy? Guess what, Bommy? You're getting a whisper.
Yeah, that's right. Shut up,
Already
bitch.
Stats. Oh, stats available at level 10.
Guess what,
Ah,
Shay? You're getting
shit.
a whisper too.
Truck.
He's in a family devoid of a mother because my mom died.
Way. Let me see which one. Oh. Yeah, I see it. Inner spawn. Oh god, inner spawn. Never mind, somebody got him.
In our spawn.
Alright. The middle, aiming towards B. To the right.
I got killed.
At the bomb.
Alright, bit meat. We're about to plant the bomb, sir.
Oh my.
Her name is Cocaine, Velociraptor, Marshmallow.
Yeah, and she's a purebred registered German Shepherd. Oh, shot the foot off that bitch.
Detonate the target objective, but expect an enemy squad.
Go Power Rangers. I didn't go outside B. I went inside B. Oh, back of their spawn and in that little crawl space thing. Isn't like the one that goes up there. You go. Very nice.
1v4. Oh. Well, you know,
He said,
that's how the
"Oh."
cookie crumbles. Excuse me.
No excuse
Didn't mean
for
that.
you.
Don't let the enemy level the objective. Secure.
One in their spawn. Sorry, I can't. I just got back. Yeah. One's down in that crawl space there. Two shooter in front of you. It's a 1v5. Good luck. I'm sorry. Just got back.
Go all the way around. Shit, one on B. Good shit, Sparkle. That's what we like to see.
Sparkle. Oh wait, hold on. I'll wait until we're back.
Hostiles are after the objective.
Fuck, one from B. I want a sandwich right now, man. I want a sandwich. Oh, he's there behind you. Oh, he was in the cross.
Same difference.
I don't know,
You
like a
just have 4. Alright.
Search and destroy. Plant a charge on the target and level.
Yeah. I want some like turkey, and I want some like lettuce and a little bit of tomatoes. You know, some.
Send it in the pets
Oh,
chat.
I got shot in my back. What the?
Why
fuck?
do I have his fucking number? Fuck that.
I have his fucking number. I live in his fucking house.
Yeah, well, guess what? I'm special and I'm retarded.
Oh wait, he's
Search and destroy. Detonate the target objectives, but expect an enemy squad. Friendly UAV on station.
And B.
Fuck, one's already on our side of fucking. There's 3 of them down there shooting. One's in our spawn, it looks like. They're going to our spawn. Shoot again.
ah! Yeah, damn, what the fuck? Oh, he got him a little white pibble.
Oh, back of their spawn and 2 in our spawn.
Oh my goodness. Is it just them 2 that's on my ping? Or on the...
Excuse it.
So much better.
Sure, my Discord has a pets.
Fucking try it again!
You asked the retard to fucking post pictures. You fucked up.
One's coming to be our side already. Up the staircase.
Ah, bottom B. Our spawn, it looked like.
Scroll through here.
fuck you run straight to my shit? Oh.
One's right on the bomb, B-bomb. Two v3. Okay, stop humping and get to the killing. Let's do that. Do that and you're gonna get shot right in your fucking dome. See? They're gonna be coming for you. The British are coming.
I just ran it and B. Fuck me. The tears. That was not good. Stop snitch.
I'm not sure what's going on. My headphones and
The Call of Duty DJ does that one better.
Detonate the target objectives, but expect an enemy squad. Friendly UAV on station.
It was a soundboard that was super terrible. And I'm ashamed for him.
Go.
Oh, of course, on A. Fuck, bro. No. No. Oh.
One left, reload.
Is
on
it
A? Right shoulder A.
My bad. Fuck.
Jesus, Holo. Carry us to victory, why don't you?
With my shooter too, what you mean? 15.
Oh, fuck no, 25 kills. Fuck off.
Damn.
Search and destroy. Target objective needs to be detonated. Play it smart.
Nigga, what the fuck? Like, how the fuck I missed those guys? Stupid ass shit. It's so stupid.
Final minute. We're planting enemy pressure. 30 seconds remain. Remaining.
You would run that way. Fucking pussy bitch. Ah, Jesus Christ.
Hardcore. Search and destroy. Set a defensive perimeter around the objective.
Hey, that was a given, dude. Honestly, that point. I'm over here laughing too. Leave me.
Hardcore. Search and destroy.
right there.
That reaction time is really bad. Oh shit. Damn, dude, I swear to God.
Search and destroy. Plant a charge on the friendly mosquito deployed.
Yo, what up, FSM? How you doing? Why you playing hardcore all the time, bitch? We're not playing this shit. I'm smoking the rest of this blunt right now. A roach right now, though. Hey, Gibson, after this blunt's gone, bro, I'm done smoking, man. Nah, for real. Until next winter. I only smoke during the wintertime and when it's cold and shit. I swear to God. I swear. I only smoke because my arthritis, and my arthritis is good now because it's starting to get a little warm. You know?
Alright, we gotta get the bomb, please. Right there, laying down on top, using a shield. On the stair, on the hinges, using a shield. Right there, right there. Look, look, right there. Up, left side. Using a shield, motherfucker. Oh my god. Right the fucking left, behind you.
You fucking suck.
What are you guys trying to do? You trying to kill each other or what? This guy's in the corner. What?
Bro, how about you get some kills, bro? Shut the fuck up. How about you get some kills and shut the fuck up and learn how to get all out? How about you learn to get all out, you fucking retard? Go read a fucking book. You know why the fuck you don't know how to speak properly? Because you don't read a fucking book. Go read a fucking book, you fucking retard. Learn to fucking speak English. Learn to speak proper English, you fucking retard.
That's not your language now.
Imagine, you're English, you're American, and you don't even know how to fucking speak it properly, you fucking retard.
Stay over there on Boston, loser ass fucking state, and suck your dick.
Alright, wetbag. You wetbag. Shut the fuck up before I call ice on your stupid ass.
Shut the fuck up, Boston. Kill yourself, please.
Yo, my guy, I'll get your fucking IP address and I'll look up your address, bro, and then I'll tell you your address, and then I'm gonna call ice on your stupid ass. Stop fucking around before I really do it, bro.
He say, call your eyes. Fuck you, busted. Suck my dick. Suck my bro.
Heck yeah, man. Man, why do I join you and you always...
Shut the fuck up.
Yo, thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
Suck his dick. You suck your dick, motherfucker. Trying to be a cheerleader, bro.
Damn, why you on my ass for, Gibson?
No. I ain't talking to both of you, motherfucker. I'm talking to that motherfucker who cannot see and didn't kill that motherfucker.
Boston, man, behind you, bro.
Good try.
That was a terrible job. That was not a good try.
You guys are so scared you guys couldn't come out.
That didn't make no sense. We both running around. Apparently you can see it.
Yeah, dude, shut the fuck up,
You guys weren't.
Yeah, you fucking dick rider. Shut up, bitch. You sent. Damn. I be saying shit too late, man. I gotta remember this shit's hardcore. I want. He's in the corner, bro. You a bitch. Gibson, you got dark matter? You fucking dork. Behind you, Gibson. Gibson, and behind you. I made you look stupid. Gibson, press YY again if you're gay. He's gay as fuck. Look, he's stamming that shit. He's planting the bomb. Gibson, you dumbass. No matter way. How you say it?